Welcome friends in Science Lecture 3, Lesson 7, Diversity in Living Organisms. In today's lecture we are going to start with the groups, that is nematoda of animal kingdom. In nematoda the body is bilaterally symmetrical and the body is triploblastic. Triploblastic means 3-layer body it is there. Bilaterally symmetrical, that means the body is divided between equal and the left and right is seen in an equal portion, right? They have tissue system, but no real organs. That means the tissue system is present but the organ system is not present up till here, right? But the body cavity or pseudocolon is present. Pseudocolon is basically an area where the digestive tract and the body wall has gotten space between it so that the organs can function well. So this colon area is present here. They are basically parasitic worms and causes diseases. For an example, elephantitis, that is filaria worms, they are named as intestinal worms, that are called as roundworms or pinworms, are the certain examples of it. Fine. Nematoda. These type of worms, they have seen it. That is an Ascaris. You are able to see Ascaris here and Vulcheria. These are the worms. These are present in the nematoda groups. Going furthermore, is the next group is an arthropoda in animal kingdom. In arthropoda, it is the largest group in the animal kingdom. That means almost 80 to 85% of the animals are present of animal kingdom in arthropoda group. They are bilaterally again symmetrical and segmented body. That means each of the portion are fixed. This particular portion is going to contain these particular segments where these certain organs must be present. They are having an open circulatory system. Like in humans, we are having a closed circulatory system, that the heart, lungs and the muscles are having a closed circulation of blood. That is, blood moves from the heart, goes to the organs and come back to the heart. This is called as a closed system. Here the system is open, where the valves are there, where they are functioning with valves. So open circulatory system, and so the blood does not flow in well-defined blood vessels. That means well-defined blood vessels for us are having arteries and veins, so they are not having such kind of well-defined heart is not present. That means the valves are present which are functioning for blood to pump in and pump out. Now again the colon cavity is blood filled. That means it has a colon cavity but it is filled with blood, and they have appendages. That means the legs like organ by which they can walk. So but they are not legs, because legs contain internal bones, that is internal skeleton is present and the muscles are there outside, are called as legs, but they are got an appendages like prawns and all that you have seen. Joint legs, the appendages are nothing but joint legs, means the arthropoda itself. That's why they are named as an arthropoda kingdom. They walk on legs. Example: prawns, butterflies, houseflies, spiders, cockroaches, right, scorpions, crabs and all. These all are an arthropoda kingdom. And you may see here, these are prawns, this is prawn, this is scorpion, these are spiders that you have seen frequently, cockroaches that you have seen frequently, housefly that you have seen frequently, butterfly you must have seen, and centipedals that are you may see from coming out from your bathrooms and all. Right? So these are dangerous also certain times. So these are all containing arthropoda kingdom. They are all segmented body. Their body are in segments. So they have got a segmented body. The third one is mollusca. So the third group is mollusca. In this group, animals have bilaterally symmetrical, that is common in all. Colymic cavity is reduced by a little segment. That means they are having a column, but this column is having a small version. Have open circulatory system and kidney like organ is for excretion is present. That means kidney is not present, but kidney like organ is there, which is functioning almost like kidney, but it is not a proper kidney formation, and it is having an open circulatory system, right? Not closed like us. Their examples are snails, octopus, etc. So this is an mollusca kingdom where this is an octopus here, then Pila, and all are there. Fine, that is Keton and all that you have seen, oyster and all. These are the ones which are coming in this mollusca group. This is a mollusca group. So this is a mollusca group, octopus and all. So these are the ones which are present in the mollusca group. Fine. So we'll keep up till here. So thank you for this particular lecture.